Hey everyone, welcome back to Danvar Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a business account on Instagram step by step. Whether you're starting a new venture or just looking to grow your brand, this guide will get you up and running in no time. Let's dive in. Click on this icon, then tap on the three horizontal lines. Now scroll down and tap on Account Type and Tools. Select the first option, Switch to Professional Account. Now tap on Continue 4 times. Select your category from the provided options and move on to the next step. Now select Business and move on to the next step. If you want to provide your contact info, add your phone number and move on to the next step. If you want to connect with your Facebook account, select Login with Facebook. Now complete all these 6 steps according to the required info. That's it for setting up your Instagram business account. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Danvar Tech for more easy tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.